The first shape that we are going to learn about is called the rectangle. More examples are a football field and a swimming pool. Also a TV and a chocolate bar and a cereal box and DVDs and another TV.
Hi, Kat.
Hi, Sam.
Do you know what a rectangle is?
A rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles.
Do you have any rectangles around you?
I don't know. Let me see. The window is a rectangle.
That's a great example. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sam.
The second shape that we are going to talk about is the square. And now here are some examples of different squares. The first one is a base from a baseball field. The second is a pizza box. The third is a Sudoku board. Fourth is a stamp. And fifth is a TV.
Hi, Jackie.
Hi, Sam.
Do you know what a square is?
I do.
What's a square?
It's a rectangle with all 4 sides of equal length.
Do you have any examples of squares around you?
I do. This puzzle box is a square.
Oh, great example. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The third shape that we are going to talk about is the semicircle. There are many examples of semicircles around us. The example that I have for you is a picture of a hockey rink where you will be able to see many different semicircles on it. The fourth shape that I'm going to talk about is the circle. And now here are some examples of a circle. The first example is a Ferris wheel. The second example is a satellite dish. The third is a bicycle wheel. And next is a clock. And also a quarter is another example. And icebreakers mints. And the face of a watch. And even chocolate chip cookies.
Hi, Josie.
Hey, Sammy.
Do you know what a circle is?
I do know what a circle is. It's a closed plane curve consisting of all points at a given distance from a point within it called the center.
Do you know anything around you that's a circle?
I do. This DVD is a circle.
Anything else?
This clock happens to be a circle too.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No problem.
The next shape that we're going to talk about is the triangle. There are many examples of triangles around us, and here are some of them. The first example of the triangle is a tortilla chip. The next one is a sign outside of our very own dorm, and even pieces of pizza, and the roof of another dorm at Loyola, and a highlighter.
Hi, Marissa. Do you know what a triangle is?
Yes, I do, Sam.
What's a triangle?
A triangle is a shape that has 3 sides and 3 angles.
Do you know how many triangles there are?
There are 3, isosceles, equilateral, and scalene.
Do you know any things in real life that are triangles?
A pizza slice is a triangle.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
The sixth shape that we're going to talk about is the diamond. Diamonds are everywhere around us, and again, here are some examples of different diamonds. The first diamond is a baseball field. The second is on a deck of cards. You can even find diamonds on clothing and different kinds of artwork. The next shape that we are going to talk about is the sphere. Here are some examples of spheres that we see around us. First are bowling balls. Second is a tennis ball. Third are beads on necklaces. And fourth is a ball made out of clay.
Hey, Matt, what shape is a baseball?
A sphere.
What's a sphere?
A 3-dimensional object that looks like a baseball.
All right, cool, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
The eighth shape that we are going to talk about is the hexagon. There are hexagons all around us, and now Celia will tell us about what a hexagon is and where you can see them.
Celia, do you know what a hexagon is?
Yes.
What's a hexagon?
A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles.
Do you know anything in real life that's a hexagon?
A beehive. In the beehive, there's the honeycomb, and the honeycombs have 6 sides.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The ninth shape that we are going to talk about is the octagon. There are many octagons around us, but one common example of an octagon is a stop sign, which you will see next. The last and final shape that we are going to talk about today is called the cylinder. We see cylinders everywhere, all around us every day. And here are some examples of cylinders. The first example is the foul pole at a baseball stadium. Second is a can of Pringles. Third, paper towels. Fourth, candy like these sweet tarts. Fifth, a jar of peanut butter. Sixth, a baseball bat. Seventh, a fire extinguisher. Eighth, candles. And ninth, a trash can. And finally, number 10, a tree trunk.
Hi, Sammy.
Hey, Josie.
Do you know what a cylinder is?
I do know what a cylinder is. A cylinder is a solid geometric figure with straight parallel sides and a circular or oval section.
Do you know any real-life examples of a cylinder?
These paper towels are a cylinder. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot about shapes.